everyone, I am Elma and you're watching Elets News Network. It is my absolute pleasure to be in conversation with Mr. Amresh Nayak, Senior Vice President of Maxon Groups of Companies. Thank you so much for joining us here today, sir.
Thank you.
I would like to ask you, what are the key takeaways? You just got over with your panel session on future ready pharma manufacturing sustainability. What are your key takeaways from the deliberations that happen inside?
Yeah, thank you. See, if you see the pharma industries today, they are doing good. But what I can say, if better is possible, good is not enough. So there are lots of new technologies which are coming, and how it is taking the four pillars, which is stepping up the new pharma manufacturing, are sustainability, digitalization, then global pharma competitiveness, and the skill development.
Right.
These four factors are taking the pharma and the innovations. So these five factors are taking pharma to the next level and to make India a global competitive player in pharma industries.
Yeah. Being the moderator of this panel session, what one message would you like to give to the viewers who are watching us today?
I can say
Few lines.
we are having talents, we are having scale, and we are having the skill, and let us make everything possible to make a global competitiveness, to create a global competitiveness and be the pharma guru of the world.
So today, 300 plus brands have joined us here today in Hall 1 and Hall 3. So have you had the pleasure to, look around? So what is your perspective on the companies who have joined us here today?
Yeah,
Exhibited.
I'll say thanks to everyone who have joined here, including the organizing Elets and the Next Gen. The way it has been organized is very good, and it's piling. It's the stepping up to the to the next level. How our Indian pharma industry will be, and this is a good scope, and this is a very good platform where the the inventors, the buyers, and the organizers, everybody in the same platform to take the India pharma to the next gen.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Chris, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining
Thank
us. You're watching Elets News Network.